Hi there everybody, it's UK independent demonstrator Halsey here from slimandstylish.com. Thank you for joining me today. Today I am making this card. To be precise, I'm making 5 more of this card because I want to show you how easy it is to make this and how quick it is, so that if you're doing your bulk stamping and you're doing a whole load of cards to go out to a whole load of different people, how simple this is to make. So I'm using the Blossoms in Bloom stamp set. This is in the annual catalogue and I love it. Let me show you how to pop it together. What you'll need is you need a piece of Whisper White cardstock. This is 9.5 centimetres by 13.85 centimetres. And I've also got some Balmy Blue cardstock that is 10 centimetres by 14.25. And I have got 5 of each so that we can do our mass stamping all together. Okay, I've also got some backing for the card. Let's get going. So you're going to need your Stampartus for this one. It is quite a big stamp set, but it's lovely. I like it anyway. Here it is. So just as an idea, that's sort of how big it is against my hand, okay? So I'm going to pop my Whisper White cardstock into the Stampartus. I'm going to pop it in there and pop my magnet on it. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mark to say it matches up with that corner, so that I know when I put all my others in that I'm on this line and that line, and it will be the same. Okay, I'm going to pop my cardstock in, so my stamp set in, and it just goes off slightly here and here and here. But that's right with the card. I've got it so it just goes off and meets the edge. You can manoeuvre it so it all fits on the cardstock. I chose not to. I liked it meeting the colour card in the back. Oh, that's why you put your arrow. Line it back up again. Okay. Once you've got that, I'm just going to hold it with my bone folder because sometimes it does lift the paper up as well. Okay. Balmy Blue. Ink it up. And stamp it. And I did it twice. While I liked it done once, I just did it twice so it bounced out just a little bit. So there we go. Twice. Move my card out, next card in. So easy. If you're doing thank you cards, say it's been your birthday, you want to send out some thank you cards to everybody who sent you anything. Right now I'm doing thinking of you, and I can do a blanket post box drop for all of my friends to tell them I'm thinking of them through the virus. But you know, whatever different reasons you're doing, Christmas for instance, invitation, house party, new house coming, say hello to all the neighbours, those sorts of things. It's so easy to have a stamp set where you can just do mass stamping really quickly, really easily. So there's my second sheet. Third one. Just make sure it's lined up again. Ink it up. If you're doing swaps, this is really good as well. If, like, Stampin' Up demonstrators go to events, on stage, you know, team meetings, things like that, I often send out cards to my team as recognition if they've hit targets and things like that. It's quite nice if they all get the same card. Sometimes if you've done a complicated card, it is hard when you come to mass stamping. This looks complicated, but it's so easy. I'm hoping to get all these 5 done before I reach 10 minutes. Bear in mind, I did speak for like a minute of this video before started, but then I did cut the base out before we even started, so who knows? That's the fourth one. Fifth one. So easy, and I just love the effect of this stamp where it looks sort of distressed. It looks like you've watercoloured it, really. It would do great for no line watercolouring, actually. This might have a look at that. And it does come with some dies, and the dies are amazing. Check out my blog, I've used them already, and I did do a opening of the catalogue on my YouTube, so have a look at that. That was a live. If you don't want to go through the different sets I bought in my haul, just flick to the end, and I have used this stamp set with a die, and it is just beautiful. It's amazing. So that's everything with the Stampartus done. Put that to the side. Come on, we're on a clock. Get my bases out. I know, I said 10 minutes. I'm now piddling around. Let's put those to the side so they fit in for you. I want the little dots, so that's that one, and the little flower, which is that one, and the leaf, which is that one. Get them put on blocks. Block for the little flower, block for the sprig, block for the leaf. Pop my Blarmy Blue away before I put my arm in it. Don't put it too far, you're going to want it for the sentiment. So I'm playing with So Saffron for the sprig, and this just goes in the centre of each one. How beautiful is this set? I love it. And all of our events have unfortunately been postponed because of the outbreak, so you can't have in-person events with people trotting all around the world, which is understandable. So I won't have many swaps to do this year, but I do have a fantastic team that I'm going to miss seeing, so I might just send them some love with a thinking of you card, all the same, to all of them, to tell them I'm going to miss seeing them. It just makes me happy when things are this easy to put together and do. Okay, the green leaf. I'm just going to put that there because I don't actually like them being sideways. I feel a bit uncomfortable with them, but I just want to fit them all into screen view for you. So this is Granny Apple Green. One leaf, two leaf, three leaf. People who know me, you know I've just broken a golden rule and I stamped on my grid paper. But you know, I've set myself a time challenge. I'm talking all the way through it, and it's almost time, people, almost time. But if you hadn't have done like your introduction saying this was my stamp set and my website slimandstylish.com and nattered, I probably could have got it done. That's what I'm going to say. I do really enjoy these, and around sort of summertime we have quite a few craft fairs normally, and normally I've done quite a bit, and I'm just looking for bits just to fill the table. Really sort of like a few cards that will just pop in a box, and we've got some really nice acetate boxes and things like that. These would just be perfect because you can make a whole load of them in one go. You can pop them all in the box because they're all exactly the same, and they look quite good on the table because they're quite sort of pleasing. By the way, it's just gone over 10 minutes. Oh, disappointed now, but I'm not slowing down. Determined to do it. There we go, that's that one done. The next one is Pretty Pink, and I've done these little flowers in them, and I have just dotted them wherever there was space in the card. So Pretty Pink, little flower, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In that little gap there. Okay, they're not going to be the same on every card now because I'm not paying attention. Shh. You haven't noticed. She's gone in different places on different cards. There we go. And finally, the last one is the sentiment. I'm doing Thinking of You because I quite like that sentiment. And I'm doing that with Balmy Blue. Oh, lay them like that. So it's going to take more time getting these straight in line than it would have done if I'd have just pulled each individual one on. I know. I'm daft sometimes. So Thinking of You. Top corner. There we are. And then all of my Balmy Blue backings. I'm actually going to make an excuse to you now. Get you prepared. When I actually sat down to do this, I was only going to do one card and show you how easy it was to do. And then I thought, well, the video won't be very long. And you're probably better seeing exactly how you can bulk make cards using the Stampartus and using the Blossoms in Bloom stamp set, because I think they go hand in hand so nicely together. So I decided then that I was going to do 5 and grabbed the supplies to do it. However, when it comes to the 10th fold card at the back, I still only have one on my desk. So I'm actually going to cop out. I've got 5 fronts that are just going to be stuck onto a 10th fold card, but I only have one 10th fold card. So we're going to make one and have the other 4 ready to stick afterwards. Because, you know, I'm rubbish. And there's that one. I don't know, fancy forgetting that bit. Got everything else extra out. But hopefully you have enjoyed seeing me rush through 14 minutes to make 5 cards. But I think this stamp set is so beautiful, and I think these look so gorgeous. And they were so simple with the help of the Stampartus. If you liked this video and you liked any of the products in it and you would like to shop through me, Blossoms in Bloom is the stamp set. The Stampartus is also on my website. I use Balmy Blue, So Saffron, Petal Pink and Granny Apple Green. And you can find all the supplies at slimandstylish.com. Go up to my header, click buy, and it will take you to my store. If you use my hostess code, I send you a little thank you gift, which might feature a Thinking With You card. Thank you for joining me. If you have liked the video, do subscribe, and I'll see you all again soon. Thanks everybody. Bye.